What's going on everyone, my name's Mpow. Today we're going to look at the Airfrex AF25 Bluetooth adapter for the Bose QC25 headphones. Last year I purchased the QC25 headphones on Amazon Prime Day for half price, but the trade-off for the awesome deal was they lack any wireless functionality. This got me looking into Bluetooth adapters for wired headphones, which led me to the Airfrex adapter. While this review will be focused on the AF25 Bluetooth adapter for the Bose QC25s, Airfrex does make a number of different adapters for a variety of headphones. Links to all the products in this video will be listed in the description down below. What sold me on the Airfrex adapter is that it would add Bluetooth connectivity to wired headphones for only $30, which in my opinion is well worth the price. The second biggest selling feature is that it used a micro USB connector to charge the device, and not its own proprietary method like some other adapters on the market. Included in the box is an instruction book, micro USB cable, and the Bluetooth adapter which you connect to your headphones in place of a wired connection. The build quality of the AF25 is solid. The adapter is made of hard plastic and feels very durable, all while being lightweight. Connecting the adapter to the QC25 headphones works like any plug-and-play device. Just plug in the Airfrex into the wired port of the headphones and you're good to go. While the styling of the Airfrex isn't completely seamless when plugged into the QC25s, it's not distracting at all. Pairing the AF25 to a smartphone is fairly straightforward. Just enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and hold the power button of the Airfrex for 3 seconds and the adapter will auto pair to your phone. I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus smartphone and it auto pairs without any glitches. The sound quality of the Airfrex is surprisingly good. If you're an audiophile, you probably won't be looking at a $30 adapter to transmit audio, but for everyday use I feel this adapter is fantastic. I've been using the AF25 daily for about 6 months now, and I haven't encountered any problems and it's still performing just like new. The battery lasts between 4 and 5 hours on a full charge, which is reasonable. The range of the adapter is roughly 25 feet, after which the unit begins to drop connection. The AF25 does have a built-in microphone for taking and placing phone calls. In testing the mic, no one could tell I was using a Bluetooth adapter. The only downside for the Airfrex is it doesn't provide any media controls on the device. By pushing the power button while listening to music, you can only play and pause the music. By double pressing the power button, you enable a bass boost feature. Another downside is there's no low battery indicator. When the battery dies, an audible warning is given, then the music comes to an abrupt end. An audible warning at 10% battery life would be a nice feature to add in a future model. If you're looking for a DIY Bluetooth solution for your headphones, you can do what I originally did and MacGyver together an Mpow Bluetooth receiver with some Velcro and a short cable. The benefit of using the Mpow adapter is it gives you full media control over your music, including forward and back functionality, as well as volume up and volume down. While it doesn't look as clean as the Airfrex, it gets the job done. If you're in the market for a Bluetooth solution for your wired headphones, Airfrex adapters are definitely worth checking out. While it's not the sleekest looking adapter while connected to your headphones, in my experience it's worked flawlessly and is a fantastic value priced at only $30. If you guys have any recommendations on Bluetooth adapters for headphones, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, drop me a like and remember to subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.